Welcome to Lawrence Hardware, manufacturer of top-of-the-line commercial hardware products since 1876. The LH8016 automatic door closer by Lawrence Hardware is a top-of-its-class closer and offers robust quality at great value. With a cast-iron body, forged steel arms, heat-treated piston, it classifies as extra heavy-duty and will easily handle over 4,000 openings per day. The LH8016 is Grade 1 ANSI BHMA tested and certified, ADA compliant, and UL listed. There are 5 independent regulating valves that allow you to control spring power, sweep, delayed close, back check, and latch speed. With the enclosed fasteners, the LH8016 door closer can be installed on wood, steel, and fiberglass doors weighing between 120 and 300 pounds. The LH8016 door closer may be installed on interior doors as wide as 48 inches and exterior doors up to 36 inches wide. Installation instructions and mounting templates are included in the box. The door closer can be mounted in 3 ways: regular arm, top jamb, or parallel arm. Drop plates are available too, depending on your needs. The LH8016 door closer is available in 4 different finishes: aluminum, pneumatic bronze, polished brass, and polished chrome. Custom finishes are available by special order too. The LH8016 also comes with an option for a hold-open arm. The door closer body is 12 1/4 inches wide and 2 1/4 inches high and is non-handed, meaning it can be installed on right-hand or left-hand doors on either the in-swing or out-swing side. These sturdy door closers are perfect for schools, institutions, commercial office buildings, condos, hotels, hospitals and healthcare facilities, restaurants, and retail spaces. Since 1876, Lawrence Hardware has been manufacturing top-of-the-line commercial hardware products for the trade and is now available directly to the consumer. Join our thousands of customers, and we hope you will enjoy our product too.
Video Shopping Network, an Amazon affiliate. To see this product on Amazon, click the link in the video description below. You'll be able to see current pricing, product reviews, and any special deals. Desktop users should see the Amazon quick link below the video. Mobile users will need to click the little down arrow below the video first.